This is an embedded touchscreen monitor. This frame is aluminum alloy, and here is a front glass, tempered cover glass. It supports multi-touch. So here, these parts are the metal parts with the mounting holes, and this accessory, you can mount it to your machines very easy. Just like this. It's very easy. Okay. Now let's test this touchscreen monitor. Okay, with the B-type USB. HDMI. This is a 12 voltage input DC. Actually, we have got some white input voltage. 80 board. It supports 8 voltage to 25 voltage. Okay.